Good morning, YouTube. Hope you're all doing very well this morning. I'm doing pretty snazzy, just on my way to work. Figured I'd jump on here and make another video for you guys. Really, we wanted to thank you guys for, you know, all the awesome support that, you know, you gave on the last video. It meant a lot to me. Oh yeah, that's another thing. This freaking bike's got issues again, so yay. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support on the last video. It means a lot to me. Like I said, I definitely wasn't sure if, you know, that was something I really wanted to post or not, but, you know, I'm glad I did in the end. But yeah, just gonna head on to work, chat it up a bit, you know. It's nice having some company. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my screen keeps flashing as if like it's losing power or something. Huh. Anyways, it's always something with this bike, man. You know, I thought buying a brand new bike I wouldn't have any issues, but apparently not. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this bike, but it's just got some minor issues that needs to be worked out, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it, try and get to work on time. Running a little bit late today as per usual, but that's the benefit of having a motorcycle. Get to smash through all the traffic. So that's what we're gonna do. I was listening to a song yesterday, and this has happened on multiple occasions. I've heard this song a bunch of times in the past, and I thought of it, you know, a certain way, thought of the lyrics a certain way. And, you know, now that, you know, I'm kind of in a different situation with my mom passing, listening to this song now, I interpret the lyrics a lot different. You know, before I thought, oh, well, it's about, you know, this dude, you know, losing, you know, the girl he loved or something like that, you know, like the relationship ended. But anyways, now it's like I interpret these lyrics as in, you know, it's someone that he lost, as in someone he cared for passed away, and it's like, shit, man. It's weird how in different situations songs they carry different meanings, you know. And obviously with a lot of songs you can interpret the lyrics in whatever way that you want, right? But it something dawned on me, I guess, you know. I had a realization that, you know, certain music can be interpreted in a certain way depending on your situation, and I've noticed that with a lot of songs and a lot of things that, like, I've been dealing with. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if, like, that's ever happened, like, with you guys. If, you know, you thought lyrics, you know, meant something, and then your situation changes, and you know, they have a whole nother meaning. I don't know, I'm not saying it right. I was thinking about it yesterday, and obviously it sounded a lot better, but now not so much. But just yeah, man, let me know. I just want to, I guess, know if I'm alone or not. If I'm crazy, I don't know. realize I need to slow down a bit, you know, not on the motorcycle, I mean, I always haul ass, but just in life, you know, in general, I need to slow down and, you know, actually live. I've never been present, I guess. I've always lived life really fast and just try to do and accomplish as much as I can, you know, so quickly. And I realize, you know, time's precious, and I need to enjoy myself and live for myself. And you know, this is one thing I really enjoy. You know, I enjoy making content for you guys, and you know, building this community, and hopefully sending good messages and helping people in any way I can. It's pretty important to me. It's something I've always had a big passion for, and I've always been really good at, is, you know, being there for people and helping them through situations. And you know, even if it's just listening to them complain about stuff, or you know, see what's hurting them. And you know, it's weird because it's like I don't know what to say in most scenarios, but it just seems like when someone comes to me with something, I know exactly what to say, and I don't know how, I don't know why. I guess it's just a gift that I have or something like that. But you know, not that I'm complaining, but sometimes it's nice to have someone like that to be able to talk and sort your stuff through. And you know, I hope all of you have someone like that, because it's, you know, it's important. Doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, we all deal with shit. We all have, you know, life experiences. We all experience loss and heartbreak and all of that stuff, man. And you know, I'm not getting any younger, and I'm realizing, you know, taking a look at my life, you know, I realize that realizing that I lived through a lot of trauma. You know, I had a lot of horrible things happen to me, and it's kind of made me who I am today, in some good ways and in some bad ways. But you know, if I could help even just a small fraction of people, that would just mean the world to me. And you know, I don't know in what way I'll do that, but I guess, you know, time will tell. But it's something that, you know, I'd really like to do, and something I'm really passionate about. Sometimes in life we just need to know that, you know, we're not alone. Whatever we're going through, as hard as it is, somebody's lived that already. Somebody's went through that. Somebody's felt that pain. And it's not the fact that, you know, you want people to suffer or you want people to feel what you had to feel, but there's just something comforting knowing that, you know, it's something we all go through at some point in life, something we all have to deal with, and we can't escape it. It's just a reminder of how precious life is, man. You know, don't take anything for granted. You know, love your parents, do things for them, spend time with them. You know, significant others, your kids are everything, man. Like, you know, they're gonna be born, and then it seems like in a blink of an eye they're already going to school. Well, life just moves so quickly, especially as you get older. So if I could give you guys any sort of lesson, it's just slow down. Don't be in such a rush to grow up. You know, don't be in such a rush to do all these things. Just live life and enjoy it. Take a step back every once in a while. You know, don't make the mistakes that I did. And, you know, I really wish the best for all of you. You know, I know I don't don't know any of you personally, but I care about all of you. You guys built this channel. You know, this channel is nothing without you guys, and you know, it's done so much for me having all the support, and just knowing that, you know, almost 10,000 people, you know, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. You know, they didn't have to, but obviously there was something that struck their interest that I provided, and you know, that's crazy. You know, that's a huge accomplishment. That's something to be proud of, and I am. You know, I'm proud of it. I'm proud of you guys. I love the support, and you know, I'm so happy to be here. It's something that's really helped me cope, and I don't really know what I would have done if I didn't have this channel. You know, making content is something I'm extremely passionate about. I've always been passionate about filmmaking and video creation and all of that. You know, I made videos in high school and stuff like that, so yeah, it's just something I've always had a huge passion for. And you know, I've had so many speed bumps along the way. You know, so many things that have happened that have tried to, you know, put me down, and you know, I just got to get back up and keep doing it. And you know, I apologize for everybody watching. You know, all the breaks that I've had to take. You know, it wasn't something I wanted, trust me. I wish it didn't have to happen like that, but you know, it is what it is. If it was easy, it wouldn't be worth fighting for, you know what I mean? Anyways, I'm done rambling. I just hope, you know, you guys could get something from this. If any of it made any sense, I don't know, but just thought it'd be cool to just talk with you guys. Alright, Wheelie 30. Yeah, just for you guys. You know, thank you guys for joining me. You know, maybe you didn't have a choice. You just clicked on the video and you got sucked into it, and you're like, shit, I'm here now. But I appreciate you all hanging out with me. Can I squeeze through here? Ooh. Sorry. I'm a goldfish sometimes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and really hope you got something from it. But if not, I mean, at least hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. And, you know, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.